Hello, I am Chanjong Kim. Today's concept is military. In fact, disclose my friend, but I will teach. Last class, I have learned about PMF, mean and variance in random variable. Today's class is not random variable. I will teach you about PMF, mean and variance in the binomial distribution. I told you about that in the last class. If CDF is the probability stacking uh, CDF the stacking but PMF representation one probability. Yeah. In a binomial distribution, PMF is defined as follows. The number of times n independent expected where success is processed by a random variable xn. Xn is then defined as a binomial random variable with n, p as the parameter. The PMF of the random variables xn with n, p is shown as follows. PMF of xn is mp parameter equal x in a binomial distribution. PMF is defined as follows. The number of times and independent expected and where success is expressed by a random variable xn. Xn is then defined as a binary random variable with n, p as the parameter. The PMF of the random variables xn with n, p is shown as follows. PMF of xn. P success probability nx. This binomial coefficients is x times success and minus x times fails. We like ncx. Next, let's talk about the mean and the variance in the binomial distribution. In fact, if you know one formula, you can solve the problem. We are university students and we need to see how the formula came out. We define a row xn formula xn formula in xn sigma x0 to n x xn x PMF of xn PMF of xn sigma x0 and x px 1 minus p and x. I talked to ago, an x parameter is ncx. X, an x parameter ncx. ncx n minus x and factorial. An x parameter n minus x factorial x factorial n factorial px 1 minus nx n minus x. X equal 1, x equal 1, this x minus 1 factorial, same. This n minus x factorial x minus 1 factorial n factorial px 1 minus p n minus x. This time to say same x1x n factorial equal n minus 1 factorial n minus x factorial x minus 1 factorial px 1 minus p n minus x. So this n is p x minus 1 and p in front. This and p sigma x1 and n minus x factorial x minus 1 factorial n minus 1 factorial px1 1 minus p x minus x n minus x. If m equal x minus 1, x equal 1, m0, x equal n, m equal n minus 0. This put in the equation
E xn equal this equation, put indication, and P sigma m to 0 to m minus 1 n minus m minus 1 factorial m factorial m minus 1 factorial p m 1 minus p n minus 1 equal C nx parameter and cx. This equation n minus 1 c m equal n minus 1 m parameter, and p sigma m 0 to m minus 1 n minus 1 m pm 1 minus p n minus m minus 1. This equation p minus p and p. In fact, if you know one formula, you can solve the problem. But we are university students and we need to see how the formula came out. Variance is the degree of dispersion in variable. It measures how far away it is from the mean. We define a rho xn formula xn as n minus 1 equal sigma x0 to 1 x minus 1 px and x equal this xn of PMF equal sigma x0 to n x minus 1 and x px 1 minus p n minus x equal this parameter sigma x 0 to n, this parameter ncx m minus x factorial x factorial, this equation x minus 1 n factorial px 1 minus p n minus x. This time px p square p x minus 2 p square fronting p square sigma x2 to n m minus x factorial x minus 1 x minus 2 factorial x, x minus 1, n, n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial. P, x minus 2, 1 minus p, n minus x equal this equation x, x minus 1, x, x minus 1, n, n minus 1 front, n, n minus 1 p square sigma x 2 to n, n minus x factorial, x minus 2 factorial, and 2 factorial. P x minus 2, 1 minus p, n minus x. If m equal x minus 2, x equal to m 0, x n, m n minus 2. This equation put in equation. E x n x n minus 1 equal n n minus 1 p square sigma m 0 to n minus 2 to n minus m minus 2 factorial m factorial n minus 2 factorial p m 1 minus p n minus m minus 2 equal here NCR and R parameter. Remember this n minus 2c n minus 2c m. This parameter n minus 1 p square sigma m 0 to n minus 2 m n minus 2 pm 1 minus p n minus m minus 2 equal n minus 1 p square sigma m 0 to n2. This parameter pm 1 minus p minus m. This p plus m minus p m minus 2 equal n minus 1 p square. We know that E xn minus 1 equal E x square n minus E xn. E x square n equal E xn minus 1 plus EXN. Same. Scale, right, discussion, left, right, minus. This equation n minus 1 p square plus np. In front and phi variance xn equal e x scale n minus ex minus e x n scale. Small scale x scale total scale equal n minus 1 p square plus np minus n square p square. This n square minus n p square plus np minus n square p square. N square p square minus np square plus np minus n square p square. This is np 1 minus p. This equation. Variance this equation. If you know the formula, you can solve it quickly. This formula and this formula. You can solve it quickly, but you know how it came about. I think it's very important. Let's move on to the question right away. Let's go solve the problem. Let's go. Oh, unbelievable situation. Since 2020, despite South Korea support, North Korea started a war. South Korea last army, the number of army 18 and marine 12. The commander assigned special duty to the army and marines. 1. Army's probability duty of success 3 to 1. Marines 2. Marines probability duty of success 2 by 1. The Army and Marine Corps are each assigned personal duty. The commander awards a success duty Army and Marine. Successful duty Army and Marines are random variable K. A. PMF of K. B. Expected
value of k. C. Variance of k. You solve.
The problem research the number of Army 18, Marine 12. Army's probability of success 3 by 1, Marine's probability 2 by 1. Okay, solution. First, the total number of Army and Marines are Army 18, Marine 12. A total number is 30. The probability that a randomly successed Army and Marine randomly P Army 30 by 18 0.6 randomly successed P Marine 30 by 12 0.4. This equation 1 minus P Army 0.4 same. Thus the probability P that a randomly successed Army and Marines are P equal 3 by 1 success 3 by 1 success probability 0 to 6 plus Marine success probability 0 to 4 equal 0 to 2 0.2 0.2 plus 0.4. A. The PMF of K. The PMF origination P N X equal NX PX L minus X M minus X. This P K equal N 30 X P K this K 1 minus 30K equal 30K P 0.4 K 1 minus P 0.6 30 minus K 1 30. This is PMF of K. B. The mean of K is given by EK. Mean XN equal NP. EK equal N30 P equal 0.4 equal 12. C, of variance of K or origination variance X n and P 1 minus P of variance K and 30 P 1 minus P equal 30 P 0.4 0.6 7.2. Finish. This mean variance origination is very hard, but we know formula. This is fast and quickly. Today class is finished. Next time we will talk about normal distribution. Bye bye.